Thank you. You are watching Rashtrapati Mohammad Abdul Hamid Shishu Park, Ashtogram, Kishorganj. This is the gate of Rashtrapati Abdul Hamid Shishu Park, and it is situated in the court building. I went with my wife and son, and especially for my son, he is very much interested to go to Shishu Park because he can play using slipper, and this day was somewhat rainy, but now the sky is clear, and I took some pictures with my wife and son, and they enjoyed much in the Shishu Park. And you see they are playing, and they have my son especially, he plays alone, and he loves to sleep. He has gone to Shishu Park mainly for using sleeper, and they use mother and child are very much happy. Water is now you see the total view of Shishu Park. You see different animals, birds, a lot of trees. The park is very small, but the children is very much happy when they go there because they can spend a time, very happy time here. Thank you.